Hello, gig workers and people who want to, independent contractors, self-employed, that want to become more self-sufficient. You know, I've been taking the time to learn how to use the TurboTax software to complete my own taxes, my own tax return, and self-employed QuickBooks. I amended my 2022 tax return. I did it online because I made the cutoff point that I was able to do it online. It was received and accepted. Just a little money. I'm going to get like $48 back for state, a little over $100 back for federal. I go back. I've been spending a lot of time alone to perfect my skills, educate myself more, and to learn how to use the software program better. I amended my 2021 tax return. I learned that I missed the cutoff point to submit the information online while I'm signed into my TurboTax account. What you have to do is you must download the software, learn how to use it, and print out your entire amended tax return. I'm going to mail it in today. I figured, hey, if they received and accepted the 2022 that I corrected, I know I made a terrible mistake with this. I overpaid. And I'll be filling you in on that. But the point is, self-employment, independent contractors. Excuse me, I'm running out the door. I'm going to do it delivered and get this mailed out. I still got work to do. I have to mail a part of it. Well, I'm going to mail all of it to the federal, but I'm going to make a copy and mail the other part to the state. I got that information. The only reason why it's so many pages, this is something to teach you. Excuse me, I don't want to do this again. When you dabble in the stock market and you're playing with penny stocks, and I ended up cleaning out my entire portfolio at one point, and I paid off a big credit card. Every single transaction, whether it be, $50 or 1 cent, gets recorded, and you have to print all that out. I didn't know that. So next year, my folder won't be this thick. Another thing I want to share with you, so don't give up. I will be back to let you know. I believe I'm going to get this money back because I know what I did. They receive this and they accept it. I will be redoing my 2020 taxes. I started doing my own taxes in 2019. I can do it in the software, and if it tells me I'm going to get money back, I'm going to print it out, and I'm going to send it in. What do I have to lose? Get my money back? I know on this one I made a terrible mistake, but now I understand. It took a long time for me to go through the motions, study, learn it, and get it done. Credit cards. Here's another thing to tell you guys. One of my credit cards I haven't used in 18 months was closed. It was only $1,500 credit limit. But the point is, in these weird times that we're living in, that was a backup for me. They gave me no warning. They just closed it. So I called. I said, what is this? And when I said, sure, can you reopen it? I want that credit. They said, well, we're going to let you know. We have to do a hard credit pull on that. Never mind. I'll increase my credit limit on other credit cards now. I don't need all these credit cards. Thank you so much. Thank you. What pisses me off is I've been a customer for them for so long, and they've used me for years, and now I'm using them because I barely have anything in there, and I'm only keeping money in there to pay my bills. But I'm someone who's going to be a self-made multimillionaire, and I would think that you will want to keep me as potential future business. I'm just annoyed that they did that. But you got to go with the flow. You got to stay on top of everything. And I'm going to ask for an increase. What I'm doing now, and my credit line on other credit cards, what I'm doing now is I'm getting $15 of gas every other day to pay it off immediately on the other cards that I have so I can keep that credit line open just in case I ever need it. I know we don't want to have bad debt, but it's a good backup plan for emergencies. So this is all about taxes and money and credit cards. It's such a bunch of BS. You got to stay on top of it. You got to educate yourself financially. And this does go hand in hand with becoming your own employer. You're your own employee and employer. There's a lot to learn, a lot to absorb. A lot of additional work, but it's worth it because you learn and you understand. Self-employment tax, I never understood that. I understand it now. I'll see you next time. Stay tuned for future videos. Gotta go, and I gotta go pick up that avo taco from Garden City to Oceanside. Delivery, $45. See you later. Bye.